Hi guys, it's the girls and Mama is gonna be the grandma. And it's Yaya and me, Sandra. And we all say, hello guys.
Hello, guys.
And we are we're gonna play Littlest Pet Shop's Fun Factory. Littlest Pet Shop Nom Factory. Now let's get started.
Oh, sweet Grandma. Grandma.
Yes, I'm here. Whoa, what is that?
It's a snowball. Don't you know that we're in a cabin and we're in the snow?
Oh, did not know. Whoa, it's kind of cold.
You want to go inside?
Yes, please. Can you help me out? Oh, don't hurt me.
Nom. It's raining, nom.
Really?
It's raining, nom.
It sure is. Wow. This is
Snowing. Noms had never seen snow before.
Nom.
Oh my goodness.
Nom.
And that's why they were so crazy about it.
Nom.
And at the end of the scene, we'll have a question.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You can get the question. And did you hit somewhere over here? There's a prize we're gonna open during the video. And now it's time to open the prize. Let's see what we get. We got a splashling.
Oh, wow. Hang on, hold it back so we can focus a little. There we go.
Splashling.
And now, let's get back to the video. Hello, it's me, Confetti. Hello, Freezy Pop. Hello, Freezy Pop. Hello, Marshmallow. You can see us. See. I can eat. You're supposed to.
Hi, guys.
Bye.
Oh my goodness, what is going on over there? That is a lot of nom-noms.
And this is the noms. And let's do it. Let's get back to the video. Okay? No. What's that blowing? Is that a rainbow? I said no.
And Kitty, you're looking for your mama, Lily? Oh, I remember where she was. She lived in Alaska.
My goodness, what's going on in the sea?
And she jumped out and her brother jumped out and went somewhere else and found this big giant nom and tried to broke him when he's so sad and they pray and let me get something over here. What was it? This was this playground. Playground
So dizzy.
And play that day. And we said, let's go play this playground. Kids, watch out. Cars. You can stop cars. Here we go. Get on. Lightning storm! Pew.
Oh my goodness.
It's snowing.
No, it's light. That's sandstorm. It's a snowstorm. Yay, this is all good. There's nobody. And I found an Easter egg.
Are you ready to say goodbye?
Let's say goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.
No, we have to tell them the hint. The hint is
the secret question.
Where?
No. You gotta do it. Yes, time that was my turn. Okay. The word is, what is a hind heel? Comment down below.
Post your answer in the comments. Yes.
No, you're not done. Where did her mother come from? Was it Alaska? Or was it Washington or Texas?
Or New Mexico.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, California.